Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change shipping address on Goat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Goat website. After that, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the main homepage. Here, hover your cursor over the account name at top right corner and select Preferences. Now, if you select the Shipping Address tab from the left side menu, you will be able to see your default shipping address. You can see that there is no option or feature to change your shipping address on this page. In order to do that, click on the Support embed in the left side menu and then select Submit Report button at top right corner. Now, make sure to enter your required credentials like name, email, order number, and all of that. You can also attach anything if you want and also describe the problem. After you are done, click on Submit to send the request. Hopefully, within 24 hours, your problem will get solved. And that's how you can change shipping address on Goat. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.